Momentum is quantity of motion. How do I, through any practical example? Even it is carrying very huge mass.
Yeah, so
And speed is very less.
yeah,
Then momentum
would be
would be
lesser.
high
If
because
it's
of its high
mass.
P is mv, kg meter per second. One thing more, how momentum is related to force.
Ft equals to mv minus mv.
Impulse.
An impulse is small, like the small time period of impact.
Yes.
It's the time duration or delta t.
Impulse is average force into delta t. This is second law of motion.
First law is there's an object is at rest until a
Law of
force is
inertia.
acting upon it. And then second one is what?
External force on any body is rate of change of momentum with respect to time.
It was really smart. I always loved the way you get one equation from another.
This is beauty of physics.
Yeah.
A ball has a mass of
What is the change in
before hitting the ball and after hitting the ball.
So change in momentum is when there's two objects.
So mv minus mu.
So I got negative 0.3. So it's 0.3 meter kg meter per second.
So but option is not there. mv minus a minus of mu.
I got the answer, but yeah. Oh, because of the direction.
Yes, so ultimately it should be getting added mv plus mu. So mv plus u kg meter per second. Option is there. Yes.
So basically, if it's one object and if it hits something, but it continues going in the same direction, it will be minus. So if it doesn't go this way, if it still goes this way, it will be minus.
Because earlier in the same direction bodies were happening, because of same direction we had to subtract, because change means final minus initial. But because of this change only, now after colliding, ball is returning back in opposite direction. So because of opposite direction,
So
now
that.
yeah, because after that negative sign, one more negative sign is appearing.
Yeah.
And because of these two negative signs, now minus minus get positive sign.
Okay, I understood.
We were to consider total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum after collision. It was beyond this momentum. There used to be in that when two balls were colliding, then we had law of conservation of momentum. That means total momentum before collision of whole system is equal to total momentum after collision of holes. And in the system we have got two balls, so momentum of first ball and second ball before is equal to momentum of second first ball plus second after. Only this much is there in whole of momentum. Impact for a small time.
Yeah, so okay.
Impact for a small time. This is also a impulse, that means related to momentum.
Yeah.
Force into delta t is equal to change in momentum. So change in momentum, like previous problem, you will be doing.
Yeah.
Same thing getting added.
Okay, done. 15 milliseconds.
Yeah, it is delta time. They have asked for force.
I got 78 Newton.
mv plus mu, 25 plus 40, 65. So therefore F is
7.